Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink, and today I'm sharing a new project with you. This is a very simple 4x6 mini album. I made it using this Dead and Breakfast collection pad. This is from Recollections. It's from, I want to say 3 years ago, maybe more. I'm still trying to work through some of my stash, so this seemed very appropriate. And again, it's a very simple album, but it actually does have tons of space. It comes together really quickly and easily. I don't have a tutorial for this, but let me know if you are interested, and maybe I will put one together for you all if there's enough interest. So let's take a look. Okay, so the album itself measures 6 1/4 by 4 1/4, and the spine is 2 1/4. There are 6 signatures. There's no pockets, there are no pocket pages, no inserts or anything like that. It's just base pages. I kept it really simple, and I have all of them double matted. So this is the cover. It just says, "If you got it, haunt it," and then I die cut some little bats in black glitter paper. This die is from a Stampin' Up set from a few years ago. The spine I just left simple. I just have a couple more of those die cuts, and then this is a spider, and it's from the same die set, the same Stampin' Up die set from a couple years ago, and the back cover is just plain. So I don't have any photos that would actually fit on here this way, but they would go on just like that. So you have perfect mats. This is just a spider web that I printed on my Cricut, and I just cut it in half, and for these ones I cut them in 4. So they made perfect little accents, and as you can see, these just mat on just like that. I did add a little bit of decoration on these with just some black dots. So again, we have mats, and these will tuck in under. If I had printed the right size, but these would just go in just like this. These are square, so obviously they will fit some square photos, so just like that. So the photo mats are 3 5/8 by 2 5/8, so they will fit photos that are 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. These ones here, the mats are 2 5/8 by 2 5/8, so they'll fit photos that are 2 1/2 by 2 1/2. So just like that. And then we have some more. So these are all built kind of the same as each other, but quite a few places for photos. So they're all pretty much the same. These ones have those same accents and the same glitter webs. Again, I printed those on my Cricut. So pretty basic photo album, but it actually does fit quite a few photos. So there's 1, 3, 4, 6, 13, 16, 19, and 21. So it fits 21 photos of a decent size. I mean, 2 1/2 by 3 1/2 photos are a decent size to fit in an album like this. And again, this came together really quickly and easily because I kept everything so basic. I was able to pre-cut pretty much everything for this and then assemble it, which made it very quick and easy to do. So I just took, so my pattern paper I just cut to 4 inches by 6 inches, so very basic and easy when you're using a 12 by 12 paper pad. And then I just cut everything else, the photo mats and the back mats for the photo mats. The orange back mat was cut to 3 3/4 by 2 3/4, and then the mat itself was 2 5/8 by 3 5/8, and I was just able to cut all of them just like that, except for my square ones, which I did slightly, you know, differently, obviously, but all of these came together really, really quick and easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's walkthrough. I know it's a very simple album, but anybody can make this. It's very simple, and it's something that you can make fairly quickly. And you know, you can use smaller pieces, so if you have more scraps, like all of my die cuts that I used here were all scrap pieces of glitter paper that I had just sitting, you know, around, because I never throw anything out. So it is pretty easy to do, and it's a perfect album for beginners. It does give plenty of space for your photos, along with, you know, you could use some of your spaces in here for, you know, journaling if you did want to do that as well. I stamped all of these because I'm actually going to give this to somebody else, I think. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys are interested, as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, I am on Instagram and Facebook, so feel free to follow me there as well. Thanks, everyone.